Yep. Okay, so today, as on my first YouTube video, I felt it proper
Yes.
to make my own creation of the mac and cheese grilled cheese. So,
Superb.
starting out, pan, spray,
Butter. Spray butter.
bread, cracked,
Oh, really nice. Yum. Look at this over here.
sizzle, sizzle.
Cute. Look at that. That's super nice.
Okay. So
not
tell
on
me
the
what you
thing.
guys think. Should I like edit out to when I'm just doing stuff, or just like when I have people here? Do you want to hear our commentary?
I think they want to see this.
Wait, it's not real cheese, is it?
I mean, it's, what do you expect? Unless they like dried the cheese and then just like, you know, like the water just like, yes, that. But like, probably not.
So I
It's
mean,
probably
like,
just like flavored. To
everybody's made Kraft mac and cheese, right? Well, if you haven't, fill it up to the line.
cool.
All at 3:30. And wait. Oh yeah. Okay. One of the first steps you have to do when making mac and cheese grilled cheese. So while your mac is in the
While you're mad.
is in there, you have to spray your bread with your butter, because I found that if you use like stick, if you use stick bread, it's too much butter. Like it's too moistened and it doesn't spread enough.
It's too like thick on
So
there.
what you have to do is you have to spray both sides.
Both sides.
Yeah. And thoroughly. Okay, so you gotta so the thing is, mac and cheese, grilled cheese, you have to toast both sides. So, sizzle. So you gotta make sure, did I burn it?
Wait, you should.
We just,
What? I thought you should flipper. You know?
we're gonna do that during I can do that.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I discovered I can do the one hand flip.
What should we do with her?
Eat it.
No.
Birds.
Hey, there you go.
Wait, Ryan, should I eat it?
I don't know.
Go this way.
Doesn't no one live there anymore?
Oh, yeah.
Over the fence. We love bread in the yard.
Dang. Hot.
Yeah, maybe we should like put it in a lower.
Put it lower.
Oh, the cheese.
Okay.
Mac.
Once the mac is done.
Oh, your mom's calling you.
Hi. Door? Got it.
Where's the cheese?
You need to tell her you're filming a
Hi.
YouTube video.
Where's the cheese? Yes.
Say hi.
Hi, Natalia.
Hi,
everybody.
I'm putting the cheese in here.
Okay, so mac. Okay.
Where's Bear?
See?
He
Crunchy.
was running around somewhere.
Bear's my dog, if you don't know. Okay.
Oh,
Nice.
nice.
So now that both of the innards are crusty,
Innards. Oh, I don't like that.
you stir the mac and cheese up.
Give her a nice stir. The steam.
So
Get a nice facial there. Open those pores. Oh, a little spread there.
butter everywhere.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Oh no. Oh,
happened?
She was falling.
Nice. Okay. Now we let her sizzle. While I eat the rest of this.
She's gonna be, yeah.
Like this video of Spencer and iCarly. We're just
Wait, which
eating
one?
cereal.
Oh, yeah. Yes.
What happens to Mom? What happens if you put bread down the dispenser? Disposer.
You gonna zap and jams?
Cool.
You did not do that.
Oh, you didn't do it. I was just wondering what would happen. Huh. Oh. Yeah. I didn't butter the first top.
No.
What?
That's definitely not good.
Okay, it's fine. We like our bread dark.
I mean,
We're good. Burnt toast is better for you?
no, it's definitely not. Burnt stuff can give you cancer.
No, it helps like settle your stomach whenever you like have like.
Maybe a little bit, but there are some people who love, like, I think it was someone in my family on my dad's side. They like loved their, loved their food, like burnt, like everything. And it's just, there's carcinogens, like the stuff that gives you like cancer in the burnt, and it will literally give you cancer.
Burnt things give you cancer. How do you feel about that? Because the carcinogens in it.
Yes,
Yes?
I've heard that.
It's sizzling.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, much better. We're done.
That's perfect.
Oh.
Dude, time to feast. Oh.
Oh. I didn't like that. My ankle popped.
A little toasty there. Just a little bit.
Peace out, Bro Scouts.